Southern style pressure wash. We just pulled up to this job. It is 11:48. I'll show you the process. Now, just pulled up 12 of them. This is what we're going to do. We're going to wash this house, this driveway, and kind of show y'all how we do it. We're going to go ahead and turn our proportioner on, get a pretty good mix on here, and everything's set. One of my guys is going to come in. He's going to treat this driveway, pre-treat it. Other guys hooked up the water hose. We're going to wash this house, sidewalk, if you notice, he pushed that water hose up against the garage door so you don't have to fight it out in the driveway. So all this is getting washed, and this back sidewalk is getting washed. And she has a back patio getting washed. As you can see, the house is pretty dirty. She didn't want the roof done, but anyways, we got one plug in right there. I'm gonna tape up real quick. Get a walk around, show you the size of this house. As you can see, this side here is pretty dirty. All right. Now, again, what I keep stressing to you guys is, speed and quality. And today I'm talking about maximizing your time and your equipment. So all this will be washed. And we're going to come back and wash this driveway, sidewalk, house. It's now 11:50. So we should be in and out probably within an hour 15 minutes at the very most. You see he's pre-treating the driveway now. Then my other guy's going to jump on it with a surface cleaner, and then by the time he has this treated, the other guy will have most of this driveway washed. Then he'll jump on with the other pressure washer and start rinsing. While they're doing that, I'm going to be washing this house. All right, we'll get back with you. So you saw the time, 11:50. So I'll check back in with you. We'll show you after pictures. Leon, Southern Style. We're on this house I'm doing a video on now, and today we're talking about maximizing your time and your machines. So I want to show you something real quick. Flip this around. All right, this is all I like on this house. We've already washed this house, and all I like is this one side. I just soaked it and about to rinse it. But show you real quick. Let me get it in the shade so I can see what I'm doing. It is 12:18. All right. So you saw what time I started earlier. Now this is how you maximize your time and your equipment. This is my shirts box. I'm cutting the soap off. This saves me time. I don't have to go back to the truck. So now I just cut my soap off. Now I'm about to rinse what I've already washed. I'm using a J-Rod, using one of my 8-gallon a minute machines. The beauty about the 8 gallon is you're pumping a lot of volume, so it don't take you a long time to rinse the house. As you can see, the soap's running down. So still a little bit of soap in my line. I'll get that out. Now I'm shooting water. So I'm going to start from the top. I'm going to rinse it down. Now you see AJ, he's already around for the patio. That's the last he's got to do on the surface cleaner. Then once I get through rinsing this in, the whole house would have already been washed. and rinse. It's a little bit after 12 o'clock, and you saw what time we started. I'm going to walk you through, show you the time, how long it took us to come in, wash this house, driveway, patio, and 2 sidewalks. And again, a lot of you guys, you say, well, it takes me 2 hours. Well, if it takes you 2 hours, 3 hours, and you're happy with that, that's great. But in my business, because of the quantity of work that we do, we have to learn to do quality work and quantity. Now, some of you are going to come back and say, well, I'm going to get the brush, I'm going to do this, I'm going to do that. Well, I don't know why you need a brush. I mean, you know, you can see it's rinsing off real good. So everything's been rinsed. I'm going to change my tip out for the bottom part. Give me just a second. It's hard to do this stuff with one hand, but I'm going to do my best. Alright. Now I'm going to change the tip out with my J-rod. I'll get this bottom part and see the stuff running off. So there's no pressure. No pressure inside this house. Anyway, I'll come back here in a minute and show you some more. Alright, it's Leon. Okay guys, it's Leon. We started at 11:48 and our time now, hold on, it's 12:48. The only thing he's doing now is just washing the curbing out there by the road. He'll be through with that in probably about 5 minutes. But anyway, we started at 11:48 and it's 12:48. You can see the house is drying. We washed this house, we washed the sidewalks, this driveway. We just post treated the driveway, so it's going to clear on up, look real good. But anyway, there you go. An hour's work, and water hose is rolled up, all the machines are rolled up to that one he's using right there. And all he likes there is from where he's at to the mailbox. We'll have this curbing done out front. But house cleaned up real good. Looks good. As always, we do a good job, do quality work, we do fast work. So the driveway is soaking because we did the post treat. Anyway, Southern Style Pressure Wash, we came in 11:48. We're wrapping it up at 12:48. That's the house, driveway, 2 sidewalks, and the patio. We pre-treated it, post-treated it. Here in about an hour, it'll all dry up, be all bright. So, Leon, Southern Style Pressure Wash. Because we're talking today about maximizing your time. When you learn to maximize your time, you can get in and get out. That's what we did. We came in. We ran 2 8 gallons a minute and the root pump. Got the job done. We're finishing it up. Already collected our check. About to go to the next one.